Hello and welcome to the live session by Infinity Learn by Sri Chaitanya. I am Misbah, your maths educator, and in this class we are going to study equations reducible to a pair of linear equations in two variables. In the previous sessions we have learned the things regarding pair of linear equations in two variables. We have learned how to solve a pair of linear equations in two variables using the graphical method, substitution method and elimination method, and have done some word problems on the pair of linear equations in two variables as well. Now in this session we are going to study equations reducible to a pair of linear equations in two variables. So are you guys ready? Just confirm that in the chat. Hello Monjur, welcome to this session. Are you guys able to hear and see me properly? Just confirm that quickly in the chat, guys, so that we can start with this session. Equations reducible to a pair of linear equations in two variables. Okay, so let's start with it, guys. So you see, before actually starting with equations reducible to a pair of linear equations in two variables, we'll do a simple question on the basis of pair of linear equations in two variables. Can you solve this and let me know the values of x and y? The variables over here, they are x and y, a and b are constants over here. So can you let me know the answer over here, guys? Just do that quickly. X by a plus y by b is equal to a plus b. X by a square plus y by b square is equal to 2. You have to solve this pair of linear equations in two variables. So over here, I would say the best method to do this question is using elimination method. You see, the coefficient of x is what over here? You see x by a, it means it is 1 by a into x. And in the second equation, the coefficient of x over here is, you see, that is x by a square. So I can say that the coefficient is 1 by a square in the second equation. So we want to make the coefficients of x same if we will eliminate the variable x over here. So can I multiply the first equation by 1 by a over here, guys? Suppose this is the first equation and this is the second equation. So I can multiply the first equation by 1 by a over here, right? And obviously multiplying an equation by anything means multiplying the left hand side as well as the right hand side as well of that equation. So if I multiply the first equation by 1 by a, what will I get, guys? I'll get x by a square plus y by ab, and that is equal to what? It is equal to, if I multiply this thing by this thing, we'll get a plus b by a over here. I hope this thing is clear, and suppose this is the third equation. Now we can eliminate the variable x over here by subtracting the second equation from the third equation, right? So we can do over here equation third minus equation second over here, right? So you see x by a square and x by a square will get cancelled out, and you are left with y by ab minus y by b square. So we'll get y by ab minus y by b square over here, and that is equal to what, guys? A plus b by, you see this is a plus b by a over here minus 2. So now we can simplify and solve this equation over here, guys. So we can take y as common, and if we want we can take basically you can take y as common, yeah, and let's simplify. Y by b can be taken as common, right? So we'll be left with 1 by a minus 1 by b over here. So that we are left with over here. Now what I can say over here, guys, this will be, if you simplify and take LCM, you'll get a plus b minus 2a upon a over here, and you see this will give you what? B minus a by a. So this will be b minus a by a. So you see we can cancel out, okay, we cannot cancel out right now, we must simplify this thing first. So if I simplify, we'll get y by b, and if I take LCM over here, we'll be getting b minus a upon a, and that is equal to b minus a upon a over here. You see it patiently, a b over here, sorry. So b minus a upon a b we will get, right? So you see we can cancel out b minus a, we can cancel out a and a over here. So we are left with y by b into 1 by b, and that is equal to 1. If I further solve it, I'll get y is equal to b square. So y is equal to b square is the answer over here. Now we need to find the value of x as well from this equation. This is the question, Prathamesh. We have to solve this pair of linear equations in two variables, Prathamesh. So we have got y is equal to b square over here. You can put in any out of these two equations. Suppose I'm putting in the second equation, y is equal to b square we can put. You see b square over here I have put, and that is equal to 2. So this will be cancelled out. This is 1 only. So I can say x by a square, that is equal to 1. I can cross multiply. I'll say x is equal to a square. So therefore the solution is what? X is equal to a square and y is equal to b square. Any doubt in this question to any student in this session? Just confirm that quickly in the chat, guys. So x is equal to a square and y is equal to b square. You can verify your answer as well. You can put over here. You see, if you will put in place of x, if you put a square, so a square by a is a. If you put y is equal to b square, so b square by b is b only. So you see a plus b, and that is equal to a plus b only. So it means the first equation is getting satisfied. Now in the second equation, if you put x is equal to a square, so a square by a square is 1. In this one, if you put y is equal to b square, so b square by b square is also 1. So you will get 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2 only. So what does it mean? That x is equal to a square and y is equal to b square is the solution of this pair of linear equations in two variables. Any doubt in this question, guys? Just confirm that in the chat quickly. Is this clear, Monjul, Prathamesh? Just confirm that, guys. Okay, so let's move on to the next question, guys. So many a times you've got this type of equations, right? So right now you can for sure say that this is not a pair of linear equations in two variables, right? These are not linear equations, because linear means the exponent of the variable must be plus 1 only. But if you have got 2 by root x, right? How can you write it? You can write it 2 into x raised to the power minus 1 by 2. You see, this is not a linear equation because the exponent of the variable is not 1. So these are not linear equations, but you can treat them as linear equations. Hello Sachin, you can treat them as linear equations, right? We can solve them. See, you must have studied in schools that you have to put 1 by root x is equal to anything. I mean, in schools you must have seen that you can put 1 by root x is equal to p, and you will put 1 by root y is equal to q. You can do like this. Then these equations will become 2p plus 3q, and that is equal to 2 over here, and this will become 4p minus 9q. That is equal to minus 1 over here. Now you will solve this pair of linear equations in two variables using any method you must use. You will get the values of p and q, and then you can put over here the value of p and q, and you will get the values of x and y. But I would say that is not needed, Prathamesh. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying, Prathamesh. Instead of doing this, you can do it directly as well, Prathamesh. That's what I'm trying to explain. It will save your time. Can I not assume that the first equation, this is the first equation and this is the second equation, right? So, can I think of eliminating the variable? This is a variable or not, Prathamesh? You agree that root y is a variable. Whether it is linear or not, you don't have to bother, but it is variable, right? So we can think of eliminating the variable root y, variable y over here. So you see, the coefficient of 1 by root y is minus 9. Coefficient of 1 by root y is 3 over here. So can I multiply the first equation? Can I multiply the first equation by 3 over here, Prathamesh? Do you agree with me? Then what will I get? I'll get 3 2s are 6 upon root x plus 3 3s are 9 upon root y, and then you'll get 3 2s are 6 over here. Can I say this is the third equation? Do you agree with me? Yes. Now can I not directly eliminate 9 upon root y and minus 9 upon root y? I can directly eliminate by just adding the equations 2 and 3. I can do that. Equation 2 and equation 3 I can add over here. So what will happen? Minus 9 upon root y plus 9 upon root y, that will be cancelled out, and you see 4 upon root x, 6 upon root x. So that will give us what? 10 upon root x, right? That will come out to be equal to 10 upon root x, and you see minus 1 plus 6, that will be equal to 5 only. So you see 5 2s are 10. So can I not directly say that 2 is equal to root x over here? So if 2 is coming out to be equal to root x, can I not square on both these sides of this thing? So it will give us 2 square, and that is equal to root x the whole square. So can I not say that x is coming out to be equal to 4? Why can't we do this like this? You got that? We can do it like this as well. It is not a compulsion to do the substitutions like this. Okay, nobody is going to deduct your marks if you do like this. So x is equal to 4 is the answer. So if you have got x is equal to 4, you can put in this, you can put in this, it is all up to you. Suppose I am putting in this equation only x is equal to 4. So it's a very simple thing now. So x is equal to 4 I am putting, and this will be minus 9 upon root y, that is equal to minus 1 over here. So you see, you can simplify it further. So root 4 is equal to 2 guys, root 4 is equal to 2 and 2 2s are 4. So basically you will get 2 minus 9 by root y, and that is equal to minus 1 over here. So guys, I am taking this on the upward side. So can I simplify and can I not say that 9 upon root y, 9 upon root y will come out to be equal to 3 over here. So you see 3 3s are 9. So if you square on both the sides of this equation, this is 3 upon root y. So can I not say that y is equal to 9 is the answer? You see x is equal to 4, y is equal to 9 is the answer. Is it clear to every student in this session? Just confirm that. Is it clear? Manjur, Prathmesh, Sachin, any doubt in that? So it is not a compulsion to put this thing, not in every question, but many a times you have to do that. But sometimes you can get rid of this substitution, it will save your time. I hope it is clear. You can verify your answer as well. If you put y is equal to 9 and x is equal to 4, you will satisfy. You see, if you put x is equal to 4, so root 4 is 2, so 2 by 2 is 1. If you put y is equal to 9, root 9 is 3, 3 by 3 is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So first equation is getting verified. What about the second equation? If you put x is equal to 2, x is equal to 4, root 4 is 2. So 4 by 2 is 2 only, minus over here 9 upon root 9. Root 9 is 3. So 3 3s are 9. So you will get what guys? 2 minus 3. So you will get minus 1. You got that logic? Every time you must check your answer. You don't need to actually do that in your answer sheet. It is not part of your answer, but you can do it in rough as well. I mean, it's better to verify your answer. I hope this is clear to every student. Okay. So let's move on to the next question over here. You can try doing this one. You can solve this pair of linear equations in two variables. Two parts are there to this question. First, you have to solve these equations to find the value of x and y, and then you have to find the value of a from this one. So the first thing is you have to solve this pair of linear equations in two variables. Just solve and let me know the values of x and y, guys. So over here, see, again, these are not linear equations. Linear means the exponent of the variable must be 1, whether x or y. So over here, you see the exponent of the variable is not 1. I mean, right now it is 1, but in the overall format, it is not 1, right? You can simplify it. So what can I do if I take the first equation over here? Can I separate the denominators? Can I write it like this? 3x upon xy plus 2y upon xy. I can do something like this, and that is equal to 1 over here, right? So what I can say over here, I can further simplify 3 by y plus 2 by x, and that is equal to 1. This is the first equation. I hope that is clear. In the same manner, if I simplify over here, I can separate the denominator. So I can write it like this, minus 2y upon xy, and that is equal to 13. You see, this will be cancelled out and this will be cancelled out. So basically over here, what will you get? Over here you will get 4 upon y minus 2 upon x, and that is equal to 13. This is the second equation. So again, see, again these are not linear equations in two variables. You have to understand that. Okay, let's see, Prathmesh. These are not linear equations, right? But you don't need to put 1 by x is equal to something and 1 by y is equal to something, because anyways it is going to waste your time. So we can do that instead of putting it. You see over here, the coefficient of 1 by x is plus 2. The coefficient of 1 by x is minus 2. So can I not add these equations, guys? That would make it very easy. If I add equations 1 and 2 over here, what will I get? You see, plus 2 by x minus 2 by x, it will be cancelled out. And over here you get 3 by y, 4 by y. So that will be equal to 7 by y. correct? 3 plus 4 is 7, and you see this is 13 plus 1, 14, correct? So 7 2s are 14. So you will get y is equal to 1 by 2. That's it. I think your answer is correct, Prathamesh. You also got y is equal to 1 by 2. Yeah, that is correct. So y is equal to 1 by 2 we are getting. If we have got y is equal to 1 by 2, you can put over here, you can put over here. It is all up to you. So suppose I am putting in the first equation as well itself. So y is equal to 1 by 2 if you will put. Okay, that is y. Give me some seconds. So y is equal to 1 by 2 I am putting right over here. Something like this. And then it is 2 by x, and that is equal to 1. So you see this will go in the numerator, so that is equal to 6 plus 2 by x, and that is equal to 1 over here. So I will get 5 is equal to minus 2 by x over here. So I will get x is equal to minus 5 by 2. So x is equal to minus 5 by 2 is the answer. Is it clear, guys, to every student in this session? X is equal to minus 5 by 2. Let me check it once. So y is equal to 1 by 2, we are getting 6. So minus 5. Minus 2 by 5. I did a small mistake, that is minus 2 by 5, right? X is equal to minus 2 by 5. Yes, this is correct. I hope it is clear to every student in this session. Any doubt in that? Sachin, Prathamesh, Monjur? Any doubt in the question, guys, to any student in this session? Yeah, minus 2 by 5 is correct only. I did a small mistake, Prathamesh. I had taken its reciprocal by mistake. I hope this is clear to every student in this session. Now, every time you will not get a question like this, okay? This was simple, but every time you will not get a question like this. So, let us do some other questions as well. For example, you can do this. You can solve these equations. Again, see, these are very basic questions from NCERT only. Or maybe not exactly from the NCERT, but NCERT type questions only. So again, for sure, these are not pair of linear equations in two variables, because you see it is in the denominator, 2x plus 3y, right? But you can assume them to be linear equations in two variables over here. Now, this is a bit complex, right? You see 2x plus 3y is there, 3x minus 2y is there. So over here, it is better to substitute, otherwise you will get confused, right? Over here, it is better to substitute, otherwise it's going to be a confusion for you. Okay. So what we can do over here, guys, we can simply put 1 by 2x plus 3y. I can put 1 by 2x plus 3y to be equal to anything. I can take p, and then 1 by 3x minus 2y, 1 by 3x minus 2y, I can take to be equal to q. This can be done, right? 1 by 2x plus 3y is equal to p, and 1 by 3x minus 2y is equal to q. That is correct. Now let us rewrite the equations over here. So I'll get p by 2 over here, p by 2 plus 12 by 12q by 7 I can get over here, and that is equal to 1 by 2. And over here we have got what, guys? 7p and then plus 4q over here, and that is equal to 2. These are pair of linear equations now, correct? A is equal to minus 45 by 4. Are you talking about? Okay, in the last question, oh my god, yeah. One more question was there, yeah. I had forgotten that. So yeah, we have got x is equal to minus 2 by 5 over here, and y is equal to 1 by 2. X is equal to minus 2 by 5 and y is equal to 1 by 2. So let us put it over here. Y is equal to 1 by 2 I am putting, and x is equal to minus 2 by 5. So you can solve this equation for a over here. So let us do that. So minus 2a by 5, that is equal to 1 by 2 plus 4 over here, right? So that will give you what? 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9 by 2 over here. So you can find the value of a. So a will be equal to 9 5s are 45 by 4 and negative of it. Yes, that is correct, Prathamesh. I hope it is clear. Supriya, what if we cancel minus 12 over here? Different y. You cannot cancel minus 12 like that, Supriya. Your doubt is not, it is not. See, basically, Supriya, are you saying that if you have got something like this, I'll just show it. So are you saying that you can cancel it like this, Supriya? Just write yes or no. This is your doubt, right? So this is a doubt with many students actually, but you cannot do calculation like that, okay? That will be wrong. The reason being, You see, this total is divided by 12. This total is divided by 12. This is not separate. This is not 12 by 12. So you cannot cancel out like this. That will be wrong. I hope it is clear, Supriya. You cannot do any kind of calculation because you don't know the value of x. This is one single entity and this is getting divided by 12 as a whole. You got that, Supriya, or not? So if you do calculation like that, that would be wrong mathematically. I hope it is clear, Supriya. In fact, if you want, you can write it in a different manner. You can write it like this, Supriya. You can separate out the denominators. You see, this way you can do. This can be written like this, 12 by 12. Wait, I'll remove that. Yeah, you can write it like this. 12 by 12 you can do. This can be done. So you can say that this thing is equal to x by 12 plus 1. That is correct. You cannot do any other thing over here. I hope it is clear. Please fix this thing inside your mind that calculation things must be very clear. Although I'll be taking a session as well, don't bother. I mean, in the next week, I'll take a session on the basis of common misconceptions in mathematics. That is very important for you to understand. I hope this is clear to every student in this session. Okay? Okay, I hope this question is also clear, guys. Right? Okay. Okay, now in this question also, I hope this thing is clear that what we are doing. Now we have to solve this pair of linear equations in two variables for x and for p and q, right? For p and q we have to solve. So let's check it and let's solve it, guys. First let me check if I have done everything correctly because maybe some calculation mistake. 3x minus 2y, that is q. Okay. So that is p by 2 and this is 12 by 7q, 7p, 4q. Yeah, that is correct. I hope this is clear up till here. So what I can do over here, can I take LCM in the first case? So what will I get? 7p plus 24q, right? And that will be what? 7 2s are 14 divided by 2, that is 7 only. So basically this is the first equation. You got it? This is the first equation. If you take the LCM, 7p plus 24q and that is 14 by 2, that is 7. So these are the two equations over here. You see, after simplification they have become simpler. So what I can do, can I eliminate p over here? You see, the coefficient of p is same in both the equations. Coefficient of p is same in both the equations. So can I eliminate p over here? So can I do equation first minus equation second over here, guys? Tell me. So 24 minus 4 will be 20q over here. 20q, that is equal to 7 minus 2 is 5 over here, right? So this is 5 4s are 20. So can I not say that q is equal to 1 by 4 over here? You agree with me, guys? Q is equal to 1 by 4. Now in the same manner, if I put q is equal to suppose 1 by 4 in this equation, I can do that. So suppose I am putting q is equal to 1 by 4 in the second equation, that will make it simpler. 1 by 4 over here, that is 2. So you see, I can get 7p is equal to 1 and I'll get p is equal to 1 by 7 over here. I hope this is clear. So you see, q is equal to 1 by 4, p is equal to 1 by 7. So if you put p is equal to 1 by 7 over here, p is equal to 1 by 7. So what will happen, guys? If I put this to be equal to 1 by 7, can I not say that 2x plus 3y that is equal to 7? And this is the third equation over here. And if I put q is equal to 1 by 4 over here, so can I not say over here, guys, that 3x minus 2y, 3x minus 2y that is equal to 4. This is the fourth equation. Is this clear to every student up till here? Yeah, p is equal to 1 by 7, that is correct, Prathamesh, but that is not the answer. Hello, Anchuri, I hope that is clear. Okay, because 1 by 7 is not the answer, Prathamesh. You have to find the values of x and y over here. I hope you understand that properly, right? So now we have to solve these pair of linear equations again, right? So we have to solve 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. 2x plus 3y is equal to 7 and 3x minus 2y is equal to 4. Let us do it on the other side, right? So it is 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. This is the third equation, and 3x minus 2y is equal to 4. 3x minus 2y is equal to 4. So this is the fourth equation, right? Now we can solve these easily. Hello Shubh, welcome to this session. So what I can do, can I think of eliminating the variable y over here, guys? So for that, what I can do, can I multiply the first equation by 2, third equation by 2, and the second equation by 3, fourth equation by 3. So what will I get? Can I get 4x plus 6y, that is equal to 7 2s are 14. And over here, if I multiply this equation by 3, what will I get, guys? 9x minus 6y, that is equal to 12. So are you guys able to understand that why we are doing these things? Everything must be crystal clear. Please try to understand that, okay? Now what I can do, can I eliminate y over here by adding these equations? By adding these equations, what will I get? 13x, and that is equal to 26. So I'll get x is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2 is the answer. You have to find the value of y, you can put it over here. X is equal to 2, I can put over here. So if you solve this simple equation over here, so what will you get? You will get 4 2s are 8 over here, 14 minus 8 is 6, so y is equal to 1. So therefore, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 is the solution of this pair of linear equations in two variables. Yeah, we'll do that broken. Word problems on linear equations in two variables we already have done on the Infinity Learn Class 9 and 10 YouTube channel, Broken Golden Egg. Please check out the playlist named as Pioneer for Grade 10 students. In the last session of Grade 10, I had taken many word problems on pair of linear equations in two variables, okay? Obviously, you have to follow the complete series Broken Egg because in one session, I cannot take everything, na? I hope you understand that. Yes, Sachin. So x is equal to 2 we are getting and y is equal to 1 we are getting. If you want, you can satisfy the equations and check your answer as well. That will be correct only, I guess. I mean, not guessing, that would be correct only. But still for your satisfaction, I would say that you must check it. That is good. I hope it is clear to every student in this session. Any doubt in that? Okay, so let's take the next question over here, guys. You can try doing this one. Although this is easier than the previous question over here. Can you try doing this one? You have to solve for x and y over here. That's it. Okay, Navya. So everything is logical, you understand, because it is mathematics. Everything is logical. You don't have to mug up anything. First, you need to understand some concept and then you have to practice many questions on the basis of those concepts, because suppose you are able to understand right now, but if you will not practice many questions on the basis of those concepts independently on your own, you will forget them. You have to understand that, right? It is very natural. It happens with everybody. I hope this is clear. So again, you see, this is not a pair of linear equations in two variables. I guess you would be able to understand that. So it means I have to first find the value of x plus y and then I have to find the value of x minus y and then I can solve them. So you see, can I think of eliminating x minus y over here? Can I multiply this equation by 5? What will I get? Multiplying the equation by 5 means multiplying the left hand side and the right hand side by 5. So what will I get? 5 5s are 25 x plus y over here plus 5 by x minus y over here, and that is 5 2s are 10. I hope this is clear over here. So you see, can I add this equation and this equation now? Because it is plus 5 by x minus y minus 5 by x minus y. If I add them, so this and this will get cancelled out. So what will you get, guys? You see, 25 upon x plus y, 15 upon x plus y. So that will give you 40 upon x plus y. I hope that is clear. And that will be equal to what? You see, 10 minus 2, that is 8. 8 5s are 40. So basically what you are getting, x plus y to be equal to 5. We are getting x plus y to be equal to 5 over here. So if we have got the value of x plus y, I can put over here simply. In the first equation itself, I can put x plus y to be equal to 5 plus 1 by x minus y, that is equal to 2 over here. So you see, 5 by 5 is 1 only. 2 minus 1 will come out to be equal to 1. Correct? Or you can write it so that it is not confusing. So this is 1 by x minus y. So from here, what will I get, guys? X minus y will come out to be equal to 1. You got that logic, guys? So you see, x plus y is 5 and x minus y is 1. That's it. Exactly. Let's do that, Prathamesh. So x plus y is 5, x minus y is 1. So let's do that. X plus y is 5x minus y is 1. Very simple. You can think of eliminating the variable x over here. If you will add these equations, plus y minus y, I'm sorry, eliminating the variable y. If you will add these equations, plus y and minus y will get cancelled out. So you will get 2x is equal to 6, or I can say x is equal to 3 over here. So x is equal to 3 is the first answer, and then you can put x is equal to 3 over here or over here. It is all up to you. Suppose I am putting in this equation. So x is equal to 3 plus y, that is equal to 5. So from here you will get y is equal to 2. So x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2 is the solution. Very good. Yes, Navya, that is correct. Any doubt to any student? Anchuri, Supriya, Prathamesh, Shubh, Sachin, broken golden egg. Navya, any doubt in this question to any student in this session? Thanks, Ahmed. I hope this is clear to every student in the class. Any doubt in this question, guys? So needless to say, you have to practice many questions. If you will not practice enough number of questions, you will not be good at that, right? It's not just about knowing the concept, right? Okay, very good. Let's do a word problem on the basis of these concepts. Try doing this one. A boat covers 32 km upstream and 36 km downstream in 7 hours. Also, it covers 40 km upstream and 48 km downstream in 9 hours. Find the speed of the boat in still water and that of the stream. Okay, try doing it, guys, and let me know the answer. So all of these are simple questions. I mean, your syllabus question, I would say. NCERT based questions only. But these are the basic things which must be crystal clear to you if you are in grade 10 right now. Okay. So basically the concept of upstream and downstream is there. So what is upstream motion and what is downstream motion? Upstream means, over here you see we are talking about boat, right? So upstream motion means boat is going like this and water is flowing like this. Upstream motion means flowing against the flow of water, moving against the flow of water. It means suppose boat is going like this, water is flowing in this direction. That is called upstream motion. The boat and the river or whatever may be the water body, they are moving in the opposite direction. Downstream motion means boat is in this direction and water is also flowing in the direction, in the same direction, flowing with the flow. If the boat and the water, they both are moving in the same direction, that is known as downstream motion. Now two things are there. Find the speed of the boat in still water. So speed of the boat in still water, just assume that it is x km per hour. Speed of the boat in still water is x km per hour, and speed of the stream, just assume that it is y km per hour. It is y km per hour. Right? Now understand one thing, guys. This is upstream motion. So the speed of the boat is x km per hour in this direction, and speed of the water is y km per hour in this direction. Speed of the stream we call, this is water only, speed of water or stream you may call. So what is the net speed of the boat? Boat is this in this direction with x speed, water is in this direction with y speed. So the net speed upstream will be what? Speed upstream. It will be the normal speed of boat in still water, that is x, minus speed of the stream. Correct or not? X minus y km per hour. Is this clear? Now in downstream, speed of the boat is x, but speed of the water is also y over here. So speed downstream will be what, guys? Because they are moving in the same direction, so speed downstream will be added. So speed downstream will be normal speed of boat in still water plus speed of the stream. So that is x plus y km per hour. I hope this thing is clear to every student over here. Now read the question. A boat covers 32 km upstream and 36 km downstream in 7 hours. So time is what? Distance upon speed. So 32 km upstream means 32 km divided by speed upstream is x minus y. So this is the time, plus 36 km downstream, it means distance divided by speed is x plus y, and total time is 7 hours. So this is the first equation. You got it? Let's check it. Let's check it, Choco. Now over here it is also given, it also covers 40 kilometer upstream. So time taken in upstream will be distance upstream upon speed upstream, right? 40 kilometer upstream and 48 kilometer downstream. So 48 kilometer distance in downstream and speed is x plus y, correct? And this total time is given 9 hours. So this is the second equation. I hope this is clear. Now I can easily solve these equations, although they are not linear equations in two variables, but you can solve them easily. I hope it is clear. So 32 upon x minus y plus 36 upon x minus y, x plus y, 40 upon x minus y, 48 upon x plus y. I hope this is clear to every student in this session, guys. So what I would think in this case, see over here these are a bit big numbers. So can I think of eliminating 1 by x minus y? I can think of eliminating 1 by x minus y over here, right? So what I can do, can I take LCM of 32 and 40? What is the LCM of 32 and 40? Can you tell that, guys? LCM of 32 and 40 over here. I think it will come out to be equal to 160, right? You can check that. LCM of them is going to be 160. So I will try to make both of them 160. So how I can do that? I can make the first this thing to be 160 by multiplying the first equation by what? 5, right? By multiplying the first equation by 5. And the second equation, I can make this to be 160 by multiplying the second equation by 4. You got this logic, guys, to every student? By 5, yeah. Now you can simplify this thing. What will I get over here? I know there is a space crunch over here because the question is a bit big. So let's simplify this thing. So you'll get 160 upon over here x minus y, 160 upon x minus y plus 36 into 5 will be what? 5 3s are 15, 5 6s are 30. So 180 over here, you'll get 180 upon x plus y, and that is equal to 7 5s are 35 over here. Now in this case, again you'll get 160 upon x minus y, and then what will you get? You'll get 192 you will get, 192 x plus y, right? 192 divided by x plus y. I hope this is clear. So up till here you will get, and that is equal to 9 4s are 36. This is 36. So is it clear to every student up till here? Tell me, guys. Correct? Now I want to eliminate 160 upon x minus y, 160 upon x minus y. So what will I do? I'll subtract this equation. Can I subtract this equation from this equation? See it very patiently. So you see 160 upon x minus y minus 160 upon x minus y. It will get cancelled out. Now you will get 192 upon x plus y minus 180 upon x plus y. So what will you get? You will get 12 upon x plus y, correct? 12 upon x plus y, and that is 36 minus 35, that is 1 over here. So if I simplify, I will get x plus y, that is equal to 12. So this is this equation. You got this logic? So x plus y you are getting to be equal to 12 over here, right? Okay, no problem, Choco. Yes, I hope it is clear. Let's see, Choco, if it is correct or not. So x plus y we are getting to be equal to 12. You can put in any out of these equations. Suppose I am putting in the first equation itself. I am putting x plus y, that is equal to 12 over here only. So what will I get? 32 divided by x minus y plus 36 upon 12, and that is equal to 7 over here, right? So over here what will I get? So I will get 32 upon x minus y, that is equal to 4 over here. So 4 8s are 32. So the second equation which we are getting over here, I hope this is visible, x minus y, that is equal to 8. So you see we have got x minus y to be 8 and x plus y to be 12. Is it clear to every student? Just confirm that. Navya, Ahmad, Broken, Golden Egg, Choco, Prathamesh, is it clear up till here? Any doubt in that? So we have got x plus y, that is 12, and x minus y, that is 8. So x plus y is 12 over here, you see. X plus y is 12 and x minus y we have got to be equal to 8. So we have to solve these equations now. Very simple. You see they are having different signs, plus y minus y. So we can eliminate y over here by adding these two equations. So I'll get 2x is equal to 20 over here. So I'll get x is equal to 10. And if I've got x is equal to 10, I can put in the first equation x is equal to 10. So 10 plus y is 12. I will get y is equal to 2. So what can I say, guys? X is equal to 10 and y is equal to 2 we have got, right? So it means the speed of the boat in still water, is 10 km per hour, right? And speed of the stream is 2 km per hour. So that is the solution. Any doubt? Exactly, unit must be correctly written. If you will not write the units correctly, you will not get full marks even if your answer is correct. I hope this is clear to every student in this session. So that's all we needed to discuss in this class, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the Infinity Learn Class 9 and 10 YouTube channel, and also don't forget to subscribe to the Telegram channel as well, because on the Telegram channel you get many questions and also updates of these sessions, and the things which you are doing in this session will be sent on that Telegram channel in the form of PDF, right? No dark hidden, it is not like that. Actually the question is like that. I hope you understand that, and it is a live session, so it happens like that. I hope it is clear to every student in this session. Bye bye guys, we'll meet in the next session. Take care everybody.